how to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram, whether it's for privacy or just keeping things a little more personal. And here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And here, as you can see, I have posted the story and I want to hide it from someone. So to do that, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and activity section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled hide story and live. So simply tap on that. And on the new page, simply tap on hide story and live from, and once you tap on it, you'll see the list of all the following and followers, and from here you can simply tap on certain people. Let's say I want to hide it from the first person, so I'm gonna simply check that person name, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna simply tap on done. And by doing this, you have restricted that person from viewing your story and live. And that's it. That's how you can hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.